How to change Shopify store theme. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about changing Shopify store theme, and it's going to be really simple, really easy, and we're going to walk ourselves through this in the easiest way. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your online store sales channel, and once you come over here, down here, you're going to start seeing themes, okay? Now, here in the theme section, you can see popular free themes with a lot of other things. So Sans, Craft, Dawn, Spotlight, Refresh, etc., etc. So let's say I'm going to go with or you can even visit the theme store where you can get more than 100, 200, 1,000 themes, to be honest. Most of them are going to be paid, but if you want to have some free themes, then these are the ones for you. So let's say I want to add this theme over here. So I'm just going to click on add simply. And look at that. It's just going to install the theme into our theme library. And then to obviously publish this theme, you're just going to click on publish, customize it as much as you want, click on publish, and then it's going to be changing your Shopify store theme by default. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.